Hey there, it's Kelly Hepner and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to finally share with you guys. The time has come, all of my outfit details from our trip to China last month. Jacob and I visited Chengdu and Beijing, China. We got to see the Great Wall, and I'm gonna share with you guys all of my outfit choices from our trip. So stay tuned, it's gonna be awesome. I've got so many cute and casual city looks, but also looks that you could easily incorporate in your next city vacation. Weather in China was pretty nice. It was probably in the, I would say, 30s where we were at visiting the Great Wall, but in Chengdu probably in the like mid 50s to 60s. So I've got a big variety of outfits that I'm gonna share with you guys for your next city vacation. And so this first look I just love. I actually wore this when we went to the giant panda research base, but I think it's so cute. So I'm wearing my really old Tom's booties. You could probably still find a similar pair online on Tom's website. And this jacket, oh my gosh. So I actually bought this jacket while we were in China at Zara. I just love it, and it's a really great price point. It's under $100. I think it also comes in like this blush pink color, but I just love that tan camel, and pairing it with black is just so chic. So you can kind of see I threw on my Les Specs sunglasses, which are super fabulous, and I picked up this little backpack at Lululemon. I just really like it. It's kind of like a mauve pink color, but it also comes in black. And I'm just pairing it with blue jeans and then an old sweater from last year. It's a black sweater that I got at Free People with some fun earrings. It just makes for a really super fun city look of exploring. I think it would be cute for any city vacation if you're just walking around being a tourist. Like I said, I'm wearing shoes that are comfy enough to walk around in, but also still look cute. And I've got my functionality of the backpack, a fun hood in case you need it, and then my little Les Specs sunnies. So this look I am calling like the layered athletic, layered athletic extraordinaire. So I'm starting with just a pair of black leggings and this cute little crop top that's Nike Women. I just think this crop top is so fun. I have a ton of crop tops. I'm like the crop top queen. If you go to my gym, you know that I love wearing crop tops, and I think this one is super fun. It's gray, and then pairing it with, what do you know, another crop top jacket. This is also Nike Women. It's kind of a white, like off-white color, and I just think it's super fun. It's got some fun zippers. I'm throwing on a fun Nike beanie that's kind of the same color, and then again, I'm just layering up. So this is one of my Nike puffers. I like this one because it's kind of got a cropped look to it as well. And this day was the first day of the CrossFit competition, so I wanted to wear something that was gonna be warm and also have a lot of layers. So if you're doing some sort of a city vacation, maybe you're really gonna be active walking around parks or something like that, something like this, an outfit would be great. So the last layer is obviously throwing on this pink blush jacket. This is also Nike Women as well, and it's kind of a rain jacket. It's got like a heavy, thick shell to it, and I love the back because you can see it kind of cinches to give you more of a waist. So, like I said, this was my layered look. I really loved it, and you can't really see, but I'm also wearing white tennis shoes with this, and then another accessory is that mauve backpack. Like I said, that's from Lululemon, and then these sunglasses are Ray-Ban. I think they're super classic sunglasses. The part that I love is that there's really no metal showing, so they're pretty transitional for either dressing them up or keeping them athletic. So this look might be one of my favorites from our trip. I love this bomber jacket. I got this at a super great price. I think it was less than $50 at the Michael Kors outlet. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to find the exact same one online. You might just have to check your Michael Kors outlet store, but I'm throwing it on top of this little silk camisole cami top. It's got lace details on the top and bottom. And I'm pairing it with just dark blue jeans and then my Converse tennis shoes. I've also got on a gold Michael Kors watch. And I'm gonna kind of show you guys here quickly how to kind of tuck the cami. So a lot of times girls get kind of stressed about how they tuck these and still make it look cute. I just kind of tuck it in loosely and then let it kind of overhang over the top of my jeans. So I think it's just a super cute look. I actually wore this to the competition one day as well, but I think it would actually be a really cute outfit for just a city look too if you're on some sort of a city vacation. So I'm of course accessorizing it in layers with my GG Pip hat. This is a brand based out of Australia. I really love their hats, super high quality. You can get them, most of them, for less than $100, and like I said, they're just the most high quality hats. And this jacket, this leather jacket, I love this leather jacket. I got it for such a great price at the Michael Kors outlet. I think it was $125, genuine leather. It's incredible. I just love, love, love it. So if you're in the need for a new leather jacket, I would definitely check out your Michael Kors outlet if there is one next to you. And then of course I am layering it up again with this fun little animal print scarf. I just think it kind of adds a fun pop to the outfit. Layering with scarves is a super cute idea and way to really polish any kind of look really. And I love that it kind of ties in the black and then the camel color in my hat as well. And you just can't go wrong with Converse tennis shoes. They're cute, fashionable, comfy, and they really just kind of add that city feel to any outfit. So great outfit for a CrossFit competition or exploring. Now this outfit I also love. I think I love all of my outfits, I just keep saying that, but I wore this to a really fun dinner our first night in Beijing. So it was super comfy and casual because we only had like 20 minutes to get ready, so I really quickly threw this together. But I'm just wearing black Lululemon leggings, and then I'm throwing on top of it this camel colored oversized sweater that I got at Zara, and my boots are also Zara. And I will just tell you guys, for military boots, if you're not really into that fashion and you might want to just ease your way into your first pair, I think this is great. I'm not super trendy when it comes to military boots and those sorts of things, but I think these are really cute, and having something that was also semi-warm was really good too because it was cold in China. So again, I'm throwing on my GG Pip hat, and then this black jacket is kind of like a trench coat jacket. I got this a couple years ago at Von Maur in Overland Park. I think Von Maur department stores is a nationwide thing, but I believe the brand of coat is Michael Kors too, so you might be able to find something online similarly. But it's like the perfect little trench coat, and it's actually pretty warm too. I just think for a dinner look, super casual dinner look, but you still want to be cute and dressy but comfy and casual, this would be the perfect outfit. Okay, now the Great Wall of China. I am saving the best for last. This was not only just an incredible view, but I think I really styled a fun and functional outfit. So, this camel coat I love. I got this coat at Zara, and you guys, it is just incredible. I think it is so stylish, super comfy, it's long, it's so trendy, and it's not even funny. It's just a really cool coat. I love that with the collar, you can wear it oversized like it is now. You can open it up and make it more of a lapel type collar, which I'm gonna show you guys. I'm also gonna show you what's underneath. It's another sweater from, yet again, Zara. If you can't tell, Zara is one of my favorites, and they actually had one in Chengdu, so I was able to pick up a few things in person. But this little white sweater is so cute. It is kind of got like this crochet detailing on the top. And then like I said, I'm just wearing Lululemon black leggings underneath for the bottoms because you can't really see my leggings through my coat. And I've got those boots that I wore in the last outfit, again from Zara. It was just a super cute outfit to wear to the Great Wall. We probably only walked a mile or two, so I didn't have to worry all too much about fashion, but I think it's just a great outfit for exploring. All right guys, and that wraps up the trip to China. What to wear, you have all of the outfit details. I'm gonna link them all below here for you ladies so you can view where to shop all of my different looks. I hope you were inspired, and stay tuned for my next travel and fashion video.